Not all forks perform equally well. Today we have this fork with a cutout to demonstrate how to fix tight bushings. The upper stanchions should slide down smoothly, but as you can see, it does not. Actually, there is a lot of static friction on the bushings and stanchions. It means that riding with such a fork will be hard, less comfortable, and less fun. Fortunately, you can solve this problem with the LABA7 Bushing Sizing Tool. It comes in 8 sizes with 4 increments, so you could improve the quality of any MTB fork. Let's start with the basics. Each fork has 4 bushings, 2 on each side. The movement of the stanchions can be affected by multiple reasons. For example, bushings are installed unevenly. Bushings are oval because of tolerances during the manufacturing process. Upper and lower bushings are misaligned. The bushings are a little bit too tight. To fix tight bushings, we will use a bushing sizing tool, or burnishing tool as some call it, to slightly adjust the size of bushings to fit these stanchions. You can do this procedure after you change the bushings or when the fork feels stiff, regardless if it's new or used. First, you have to take the fork apart and clean the parts. Conveniently, we already did that. Second, choose the right diameter and the smallest increment of the bushing sizing tool. Tip number 1. Make sure you assemble the tool head correctly before tightening. Tip number 2. Apply some oil that is recommended by the fork manufacturer on the tool. It makes this task much easier. Third, insert the tool into the fork and start sizing those bushings. Use some downward force and rotate the tool by the handles. If the bushings are tight, it will require a lot of turns. Fourth, when you are done sizing all 4 bushings, check if the stanchions move more easily. If not, take the bigger increment of the bushing sizing tool and repeat the process. Here is the final result. See how smoothly the stanchion is moving. No need to push it with force anymore. When the fork is put back together, all this effort will translate into a smooth, comfortable, and fun ride. For more details, contact us in DMs or at LABA7.com.